Okay, today, boys and girls, we're talking about conjunctions again from PDF page 98. There's a lot of writing today, so I'm not going to record me writing all of these answers. I've already pre-written them. You can see what the answers are. But I do want to review each problem and explain why the answer is the way it is. So the first example, the Empire State Building is a famous skyscraper. The Chrysler Building is a famous skyscraper. And the directions tell us we are to use the conjunction and. So my sentence says the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building are famous skyscrapers. Because we're only adding parts of two sentences, we're not combining two complete sentences, there is no comma before our conjunction. So we're just adding the word and in there, using the two, Empire State Building, Chrysler Building, combining them with famous skyscraper. Problem number 2 says New York City has many parks. James likes Central Park best, and the conjunction we're using here is but. Now here we are combining two complete sentences, and when we do that, we need a comma before the conjunction. So my first sentence, New York City has many parks, comma, and then my conjunction, but James likes Central Park best. Okay, again, if we're combining two complete sentences, we need that comma in there. And number 3, visitors can go to a baseball game. Visitors can go to a basketball game, and we're using or. So you have to choose which one they're going to. And again, we're only combining partial parts or parts of two sentences. We're not combining both sentences and using both complete sentences together like we did in number 2. So my example says visitors can go to a baseball or basketball game. You could write visitors can go to a baseball game or basketball game. I just find that if I'm using the same word like this, sometimes it gets a little cumbersome, and I don't always like to do that. So, but you certainly can in this instance. You could say visitors can go to a baseball game or a basketball game. That's it. Question number 2 was the only one where we kept the two sentences. I still had New York City has many parks right there. I still have James likes Central Park best. So I kept the two sentences and I just added them or put them together. That's why I needed my comma. The other two sentences, number 1 and number 3, we didn't take the whole sentence, so no comma before the conjunction. That's all of our practice for today, boys and girls. I will open up the post-test shortly for you to take the post-test. As always, this is Mr. P, and I'm out.